it's time to finish vacuuming the steps with the cordless Shark 15.6 volts with a brush. Here we go. God, I hate that smell it's making. Man, for battery operated, this thing can go. It's gotta go before the battery dies. This is mainly for small, light-duty jobs. It's anything but light-duty. Like a boss. Okay, got the steps. Set, do the basement ones. That's not very good lighting because we just haven't had time to replace the lights. Move out of the way, suitcase. Let's begin with all this crap. Still see it, hopefully. You barely see it, but that's okay. You saw it on the main level, so you know how good of a job. I did this last week, so they're not as bad. Got a paper clip. Now let's get the Redskin banner. Up and down, up and down. Pretty simple concept if you look at it. Oh, my arm's getting tired. My arm's been cramping up for no reason. Messy brush roll. I know. Well, let's see how that did. On the crep report, we're gonna set it over the trash can in case any debris or crap falls out. Basically, all you do is push up on this tab thing. Yeah. It's supposed to happen. That's what this is where the motor is. Well, duh. Ugh. Basically, this is like the Eureka. You just pull it out, And there's your debris. Wow, what a mess. Shake it off, let that fall down there. It's okay. Taking this. I'm going to clean it off, don't worry. Just tap it. Yeah, blowing on it might help a little bit. And then all you do is you see these things, hang on. There's a little crap in the little dust port. We got some crap in there. Don't want it to get clogged. There's still a little bit in there. It's from that Redskin thing. I don't think that was a good idea. I got it. So just plug it back in to the port. Hang on. There we go. Oh, I forgot the stupid filter. Well, that's all for me. Guys, have a good Easter. Whoops. Have a good Easter. And, hopefully wherever you are, if you travel on vacation, stay safe. And I bet most of you guys went to Florida. That's where most of my friends went for Easter. I'm staying here in good old Indiana. Ouch. There we go. Got the filter in there. So, we're done. Go plug this back in. So, Super Duckman 24, it's out. Happy Easter. And thanks for watching.